Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create an editable typography design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. I have these colors, which I use for it. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a artboard size rectangle. Apply the blue color to it using the eyedropper tool. Go to the Object menu, Lock, and Selection. Select the Type tool and type the text. Change its font to Montserrat Black and case to upper. Change its fill color to none. Open the Appearance panel. If it's not there, bring it from the Window menu. Click on the Fill button to add the fill color and change its color to red. Then click on the Add New Stroke button. Apply the red color to it. And drag it down to the fill color. Go to the Effects, Distort, and Transform, then Transform. Go to the Move section and adjust the vertical position. Increase the stroke weight. Click on the plus button for a copy of it. Change the transform to the opposite. Select the fill color and click on the plus button for a copy of it. Select the down fill color and change it to blue. Go to the Effects, Convert to Shape, and Rectangle. Follow my settings. To further adjust it, add a transform effect. This is a totally editable text. And you can change the color of it using the recolor options. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.